Hey, it's Pipiads. If you want to know which products are trending on TikTok, in this video, I have the most viral products on TikTok for your consideration. Let's take a look. Today, our first winning product is the 3-in-1 hair shaving. Mini design is very portable to take with you. It's an easy and painless way to get rid of unwanted hair on the face or the body. Gentle enough to use every day, gives you superior performance and epilation, providing you with perfect and long-lasting smoothness. The suggested selling price is €24.9, with the product costing on AliExpress €4.37, which would leave you with a great profit. Our next winning product is the Professional 5-in-1 Hair Curler. This hair curler's roller comes with 5 interchangeable brush attachments that make straightening, curling, plumping, and scalp massage a breeze. All the functions of hair curlers and rollers are perfectly combined in these rollers. It provides styling versatility and outstanding results for all hair types. The recommended selling price is $39.99 and the product cost on AliExpress is $23.54. That's all we have to share about today's best winning products. Thanks for watching.